to get a big hole in so I can get the boring bar through it. Move on centre drill, 8mm drill, and this one's a 22. Drill to do a sharpener, it's only really cutting properly on one side. Before you start the lathe up, make sure you've got plenty of clearance. That's a tool right through there, so we've got plenty of clearance. There's a lot of metal to come out of this, so I'll put a big boring bar in so I can take some nice heavy cuts. See there, there's plenty of clearance for the tool to go out the back of the job. It's only an exhaust flange, but I still break those two sharp edges just to stop you cutting your fingers if nothing else, as they really are sharp. It takes nothing just to break the edges like that. That's better. Right, we'll take it and do some welding now. So now we're all obviously clamped together. There's quite a few people have asked us what sort of lubricator I use on the lathe. I think I should have been used on one of the big head videos when I repaired the boring head. This one, it's come from a car boot sale. Patent applied for New Brakes oiler. You can buy them new, I believe. People have also modified grease guns to take oil. Got a leather seal inside, a leather cup seal, and it's got a ball valve in there, and the cap also seals onto the back of the unit. So when you press that, it forces oil into this stage, and that's our second stage. That's a high pressure pump that pushes down into there, and that's what gives it your pressure. It wants oil putting in it, so I'll fill it with oil and I'll demonstrate once again how it's used. As far as oil goes, for oil in my machines, I used to use 1040 semi-synthetic engine oil, nothing flash. If it's really cold, I'll use a hydraulic oil on the lathe wheels. I don't think ordinary car engine oil is going to damage me lathe in any way. It's been alright for the last 20 years I've used it. Right, so that's full of oil. Right, there's a 1 on the thread indicator. So that simply fits into pushes the ball down in the brass cap. You press down. Here the oil. Air coming out first because it needs bleeding. That's the oil there. You can see the oil coming out. We're doing another one. You've got to push fairly hard, but you're very effective. The lathe wants a good clean. It's not been cleaned since I did the last job on it. Some horrible stringy turners that weren't removing. There is one very important oil point on all these box fan lathes, and that's on the back of your shaft, in the back of the lathe. You turn it round until the spindle lock engages, which is there, and there's a little hole there. You can see the ball on the little brass valve. A couple of pumps into there. That lubricates that. That's the one that often gets missed. And there's grease nipples on the headstock bearings. You don't grease them very often. You may remember I showed this quite a few weeks ago now. It's an electronic edge finder. It's got a little LED in there, a couple of batteries in there, and how it works, that ball's insulated from the body, so the ball's negative, the body's live. That's in your milling machine, in your chuck, and when you touch that onto the edge of the part, it lights up. Some of the beeper in, this one just lights up. That's it working there. My friend Bob actually took this away. He stripped it all down and he put a new LED in there and some new batteries. It's working fine. What I need to do is get a 20mm collet so I can put it in the mill, and I'll use that. I'll try using that. It's a Japanese one. They're quite expensive. It's a nice bit of kit. I've got a job coming in for, I'll probably do it for next week's nightcap. A couple of motorcycle brake calipers. I've got a machine, I think it's 4mm off there to get down to a specific size on all 4 of them. There's nothing, those 2 points there are flat and the ends are flat, but there's no easy way of mounting it. What I may do is machine a bit of bar that's a good fit in there and braze a cutter on, or manufacture a cutter so I can just put it straight through with a drill. It'll hit a stop on the bottom of there and it'll cut down to the required depth. And I've got 4 to do on this, and there could well be more to do, so it could be worth making a tool for doing them. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody very much for watching, and thanks for subscribing and all the comments. I'd like to thank Nevin very much for all the micrometers he sent us. I'm going to play with them this week so I can get them to work. I'm going to put the pictures he sent the pictures of the steam engines. I'll scan these and I'll put them on at the end of the video. Some really interesting stuff. Anyway, thanks once again. Bye. Don't forget to set your alarm. You're back to work tomorrow. I hope you enjoy your first day back at work. I certainly enjoyed mine. Pasta. Need a big alien. More power.